Hi everyone, Sean here from Java SE Certification Training. This question demonstrates the package that list and ArrayList are from, and also two particular properties of list. Hope you enjoy the video. Do you know what package ArrayList is in, or list? It's in java.util. So this code here is importing java.lang, which is automatically imported for you anyway. So list, the compiler is going to go looking for list. Have you imported it because it's not in the java.lang? No. And the same for ArrayList. So it's not going to compile. So that's basically what that's about. Okay, now let's talk a bit about it though. If it did compile, if we were importing java.util.star, the answer is 5. You would add in that first one, BOI, Nikki, IRA, and then if it contains IRA, which it does, you would add in Kara. So that's the 5th one. Okay? And if it contains BOKEH, well, that's a small b, and we added in a big B, then it's obviously false then, that if statement is false. So it won't add in Kara, and then that's why it's 5. Okay, now, if it was a big B, would it add in Kara or not, given that Kara is there already? That's where you need to remember lists maintain order and allow duplicates. I use the acronym LOD for Lord of the Dance to remember that. So lists are ordered and they allow duplicates. So yes, Kara would be allowed to be in a second time, and the size of the list would then become 6 because Kara would be in there twice. So any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like the video, please click like. And if you want further content, please subscribe.